Seniors, it does not matter if you are 50, 60, 70, or even 80 years old. Age is just a number. What truly matters is your decision today. If you watch this video till the end, I guarantee you will learn how to rebuild your muscles, restore your energy, and feel just like a 30-year-old young adult again. Imagine walking without pain, climbing stairs without stopping, carrying groceries with strength, and living with the same confidence you had in your youth. Science has proven that your muscles can grow stronger at any age, and in this video, I will show you exactly how to make it happen. So stay with me, because your journey back to strength and vitality begins right now. Muscles are not just for athletes or young people. They are the engines of your body. Every step you take, every time you get up from a chair, every time you lift something, your muscles are working for you. But after the age of 30, we naturally begin to lose muscle, about 3 to 8% every decade. This process is called sarcopenia. By the time many people reach their 70s, they have lost nearly 1/3 of their muscle mass. This is the reason why seniors feel weak, get tired easily, or fall more often. It is not just aging, it is muscle loss. But the good news is that muscle loss is not permanent. Medical science has shown again and again that muscles can be rebuilt at any age, even in your 70s or 80s. Muscles are made of fibers that contract and expand. When you use them, they grow. When you don't, they shrink. This is why people who sit too much or stop exercising become weak. But here is the amazing fact. Research from Harvard University and the Mayo Clinic shows that seniors who trained their muscles for just 12 weeks increased their strength by over 40%. Even people in their 90s doubled their strength with simple resistance exercises. This means it is never too late to start. Your muscles are waiting for a signal, and the moment you give them that signal, they will respond. So, what is the signal your body needs? Exercise. Not extreme gym workouts, not dangerous heavy lifting, but simple, safe, and consistent exercise designed for seniors. For example, chair squats help strengthen your legs, wall push-ups help your arms and chest, and resistance band pulls improve your back and shoulders. Light dumbbells of 2 to 5 kilograms are perfect for building strength without risk. Even if you cannot go to a gym, you can do these exercises in the comfort of your home. Balance and flexibility are equally important. Tai Chi, yoga, and simple stretching routines improve your balance, prevent falls, and keep your joints healthy. Remember, falling is one of the biggest risks for seniors, but balance training makes a huge difference. The best part is that you do not need hours of exercise. Just 20 minutes a day, 3 to 4 times a week, is enough to see real changes. Consistency is far more important than intensity. Muscles don't know your age. They only know whether you are using them or not. But exercise alone is not enough. Muscles also need the right fuel, and that fuel is nutrition. The most important nutrient for muscle growth is protein. Seniors actually need more protein than young adults. About 1.2 to 1.5 grams per kilogram of body weight every day. Excellent protein sources include eggs, chicken, fish, beans, lentils, milk, yogurt, and Greek yogurt. Eating protein in every meal gives your body the building blocks to repair and grow muscle. Next, vitamin D and calcium are critical. Without them, your bones weaken and your muscles cannot contract properly. You can get them from sunlight, milk, cheese, leafy green vegetables, and fortified foods. Omega-3 fatty acids, found in salmon, walnuts, and flax seeds, also play a big role. They reduce inflammation in your muscles and slow down muscle loss. And do not forget hydration. Muscles are made of 75% water. Even mild dehydration makes them weak. Seniors should drink 8 to 10 glasses of water every day. Think of your muscles as a plant. Without water and nutrients, they wilt. With the right care, they bloom. Lifestyle habits also matter. Sleep is essential. When you sleep, your muscles repair and grow stronger. 7 to 8 hours of deep sleep is necessary for recovery. Avoid smoking and excess alcohol. Both damage muscle fibers and weaken bones. Stay active in your daily life. Walk, take the stairs, do gardening, play with your grandchildren. Every movement counts. And finally, mindset is everything. Believe in your body's ability to get stronger. Age is just a number, and strength is a choice. Let me share some real-life inspiration. In Japan, a 70-year-old man who started weight training at 65 can now lift more than many people in their 20s. At Harvard, researchers found that seniors who trained with resistance lived longer, healthier lives and maintained their independence. The lesson is clear. Muscles respond at any age if you give them the right challenge. Now, imagine yourself 6 months from today. You climb stairs without breathlessness. You carry groceries with ease. You sleep peacefully and wake up feeling alive, strong, and youthful. This is not a dream. This is science. All you need is a commitment to exercise, eat right, and stay consistent. Seniors, you do not have to grow old, weak, and tired. Your muscles are waiting for you to wake them up. So start today and let the world see a stronger, younger, and more powerful you.